So today we're going to talk about a real world example of a company that I think has strong moats. This is Ulta Beauty. Ulta Beauty, this is a really interesting company. So I've got a 19-year-old who loves makeup, loves makeup. She does all kinds of amazing things and crazy fun stuff with makeup. And so Ulta is right there in my three circles because there's money being spent there. There's somebody in my life who's extremely passionate about it. So time, money, yeah, I know a little something about Ulta. So when you first walk into the store, there's a feeling you get, these bright lights, empty spaces, and people there to help you. So right away, it's a positive experience. So now this company that's on my radar and has meaning to me is becoming more personal. And now I want to start to dig in. So when I start to dig into Ulta, I find out there's some things that I really like about this company. They had a very strong CEO there for a number of years, Mary Dillon, who really just led the company to exceptional growth, greater than 15% per year for a number of years, as Ulta was growing from this small number of stores that started in outside of Chicago to the largest specialty cosmetic retailer in the US right now, and still expanding. I mean, they just set up a partnership with Target and they're opening 500 mini Ultas inside of Target. I had to go see one. So on a recent trip during the holidays, I went to go up towards the Washington, D.C. area, went into a Target and saw the little mini Ulta, and I thought, this is fantastic. There were people walking around, checking out products they had never seen before, and that's exactly what Ulta's going for, to get these people to then come into the normal Ulta store, become an Ulta member, which, by the way, Ulta retains 95% of their members. Over 40 million people keep coming back to Ulta and buying the same products over and over and over again. This is the kind of thing that really made the company appealing to me. Not only do they have strong brand recognition, because they do have a really huge brand moat. They established the specialty beauty destination. They call themselves, we are the beauty destination for beauty enthusiasts. This is all part of what Ulta projects. And so they tell you right away, this is what we're known for. So right away, huge brand right out the gate. And then with more research, I may come to find out, hey, I think these guys might have a little bit of a pricing mode as well, because not only are they the largest specialty cosmetics and beauty retailer, so all the suppliers want to get their goods in the Ulta store, they're willing to be a little bit more competitive on price. That helps Ulta, right? Because they have scale. But on top of that, Ulta has its own white label products that they produce and sell at their own stores, which gives them a huge advantage over competitors, because they can increase prices, more income coming in. That's a very positive thing. So identifying the two moats that Ulta has, being able to understand that they had strong management in place for a number of years. She left. She's now over in charge at Foot Locker. We got a new guy who's been in the past 2 years, David Kimball, and all he's done is just increase the returns by more than double over the past 2 years. So it's been a fantastic story. I'm continuing to watch Kimball and how he's performing, and I'm looking forward to continuing to watch them over the next few years.